guys, I was so afraid today would not end happily. Can't have a party if my friends aren't with me. And I wanna celebrate. I know that you'll agree. No better way to celebrate than with friends like you and me. Hey, hey, today I just wanna celebrate. This is my celebration song. Friends like you are a gift, it's true. Gonna celebrate you all day long. Today we celebrate. You are lovely friend. May our companionship sail on without end. Hey, hey, today we just wanna celebrate. This is your celebration song. A friend like you is a gift, it's true. Let's celebrate you all day long. Today we celebrate. You are lovely friend. May our companionship sail on without end. Hey, hey, today we just wanna celebrate. This is your celebration song. A friend like you is a gift, it's true. Let's celebrate you all day long. Just because you've been here before doesn't mean that you can't see more.
Pretend you're an explorer and find wonders around each corner. Looked around, what did I find? Pretty flowers growing on a vine.
You'll see beauty can be in any space. Just ask what's awesome about this place.
Just how cool is that big boulder heading straight for my shoulder? Whoa!
It might take a bit of practice, but you might just find a cactus.
These flowers look just like oranges. Diesel, nothing rhymes with oranges.
You'll see their wonders all around you. Just ask what's awesome about this place. Just because you've been here before doesn't mean that you can't see more.
Pretend you're an explorer and find wonders around each corner. Looked around, what did I find? Pretty flowers growing on a vine.
You'll see beauty can be in any space. Just ask what's awesome about this place. Magic just might be magnified. Gotta keep your eyes open wide.
So much beauty and everywhere.
How do we not know that it was there? You'll see when you look a little differently. Just ask what's awesome right next to me. All engines go! I feel the need to lead with speed.
You okay? That's a lot of hay. It's no joke. My coupler broke. The cows need this hay.
Well, it's on my way. I'll take it.
You gotta watch your stack out on the track. Remember, it's tall. To tell the truth, one little goof
And the whole thing's gonna fall. Got it. I'm gonna lay on the speed. There's cows to feed.
Uh-oh. Gotta watch your height. You're gonna hit the light.
Hannah, you're in trouble. Watch out for the tunnel.
You can't come this way. You'll lose your... Hey. How do you moo? I got food for you.
Are you looking for this? I went too fast and lost my stack. But you had good friends who brought it back. Absolutely. Thanks for bailing me out on my unstacked route. But I'm back on track. I've learned to keep an eye on my stack.
Good friends come from anywhere, and anyone can be a partner on the rails with me. Who would have thought that you and I could make such a special team? It wasn't what I had in mind, but now I think I see. Good friends come from anywhere, and anyone can be a partner on the rails with me. When times are tough and your best friend isn't there to have your back, just let a new friend